People have some rebuttal.
Yes, Your Honor. May I proceed?
Yes.
What opposing counsel just read to you from Hayden Rodriguez's statement was not in evidence because we didn't hear it today on the witness stand. Your Honor, opposing counsel tried to tell you that we didn't prove motive, but we don't have to. But make no mistake, Your Honor, what we do know is that Mr. Thompson started fights with the defendant. Mr. Thompson tried to swing a punch at the defendant's friend, and that made the defendant angry. Your Honor, even if we can't make sense of the chaos that opposing counsel is trying to tell you, the evidence that we have in today's case can. The defendant's walking stick was at the crime scene. His fingerprints were on it, the victim's skin cells were on it, and there was a blood smear on his shirt, and you can't explain that. We ask that you find the defendant guilty as charged.
Stop. Time has expired.
Thank you.
And the defense, any final comments?
Thank you, Your Honor. May I proceed?
Yes.
Here's my chance to clear a couple of the prosecution's points which have confused the court. First, though we do not have to prove motive, though the prosecution does not have to prove motive, without motive, why would someone kill Alex Thompson? Motive is very important to a murder case. Secondly, the prosecution wants you to believe that the no blood being on Mr. Davidson's bullhorn proves that Mr. Davidson killed Alex Thompson. However, the bullhorn was on his shoulder, his right shoulder, and you saw that the blood was on the left side of his shirt. This bullhorn would have been free from Mr. Thompson's gushing nosebleed. And third, the prosecution talks a lot about the smear across Mr. Davidson's shirt, trying to show that it proves that he killed Alex Thompson. However, during the chaos after Mr. Thompson was punched, it's reasonable that this walking stick could have merely smeared across his shirt as it was whisked away. Your Honor, therefore we implore that you find Casey Davidson not guilty.